Welcome to this low-impact full-body workout, perfect for beginners and those looking for a joint-friendly routine. No jumping, no stress, just effective movements to improve strength and flexibility. Let's get started. Start slow march in place for 40 seconds. Begin with a gentle march in place. Keep your core engaged and move at a comfortable pace. This helps warm up your muscles and improve circulation. Rest for 20 seconds. Start chair squats for 40 seconds. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself as if sitting in a chair, then push back up. Keep your knees aligned and move slowly for better control. Rest for 20 seconds. Start wall push-ups for 40 seconds. Place your hands on the wall, step back slightly, and lower yourself towards the wall before pushing back. Keep your back straight and move slowly to build strength without strain. Rest for 20 seconds. Start standing side leg raises for 40 seconds. Stand tall. Raise one leg to the side, lower it down, and repeat on the other side. Engage your core and keep your movements controlled. Rest for 20 seconds. Start seated knee lifts for 40 seconds. Sit on the edge of a chair. Lift your knees towards your chest one at a time and engage your abs. Keep your back straight and breathe naturally. Rest for 20 seconds. Start standing arm circles for 40 seconds. Stand tall and extend your arms out. Make small circles forward, then reverse. This improves shoulder mobility and strengthens your arms without strain. Start cool down stretching and deep breathing for 60 seconds. Great job. Now, let's cool down with some light stretching and deep breathing. Inhale deeply, stretch your arms overhead, and exhale slowly. You did amazing. This low-impact workout is perfect for daily movement. Repeat it regularly for better strength and flexibility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more joint-friendly workouts. See you in the next session.